Is our relationship with our planet symbiotic? The idea to which we are referring is a genuine scientific theory put forward in the 1970s by chemist James Lovelock and microbiologist Lynn Margulis. In recent years, this theory has been tested rigorously, with mixed results leading to an uncertain conclusion. So let's investigate what we know and what we don't know about the Gaia Hypothesis. Atmospheric evidence. The Gaia principle could be seen as nothing more than an attempt to reframe how mankind sees the Earth, how it sees itself, how we think about the environment, and how we treat all life throughout the world and beyond. Indeed, James Lovelock admitted he'd made a fudge up by calling it the Gaia Hypothesis in the first place, since this reference to a mythical Greek goddess who personified the idea of Mother Nature hardly inspires scientific confidence. It's like having a theory of how the moon is made of something different and calling it cheese-based inquiries of a distant cheddar world. Nevertheless, while the Gaia Hypothesis was initially criticized, it is now studied seriously as a testable explanation for how Earth works. The theory states that Earth is regulated by life and its own processes at every level: the biosphere, atmosphere, hydrosphere, and the amusingly named pedosphere, which is the top layer of Earth's soil, not somewhere Chris Hansen would go looking for creepy guys packing Mike's Hard Lemonade. Because Gaia makes specific claims regarding the processes going on within these layers, we can investigate them using rigorous scientific techniques. For example, we know that living organisms affect things like the atmosphere. The photosynthetic bacteria present during Earth's Precambrian stage completely rejigged our carbon dioxide and nitrogen-heavy atmosphere into the oxygen-rich one we enjoy today. Gaia states that Earth's current atmospheric composition is kept steady by the presence of life which requires this specific composition, since all atmospheric gases other than noble gases are either made or processed by such beings. Gaia also rejects claims that Earth's stable atmosphere is due to chemical equilibrium, like it is on lifeless planets. Oxygen is highly reactive, and it should have combined with the gases and minerals found in Earth's atmosphere and crust. And yet, the only place where the Earth is suitable for most plants and animals is down in the lower reaches of the atmosphere, where living things interact with it. Further support for Gaia is given through the involvement of living organisms in the carbon cycle, with various organisms including lichen, algae, and coral reefs taking a major part in the process, alongside carbonate rocks and those giant earth zits we call volcanoes. These organisms have evolved to take part in this process, and in turn, the Earth has furnished them with the conditions they need to carry on living.